basically all the industries that we see, from power generation to mining, pulp and paper, and even cruise ships use process automation elements. ABB is present in the process automation space across all these different industries. For that, in the distributed control system space, ABB has been like number one for over 20 years.
How would you define process automation in terms of technology like OpenShift?
Process automation has been, technology-wise, has been embracing different type of computing technologies since the late 70s, early 70s. Maybe it started with mainframes, and that slowly transformed into more of a client-server, commercial-grade computing that we have now. So OpenShift is the next evolution, so to speak, of these different technology platforms. The ability that OpenShift has promised, in a way, is the ability to be able to evolve over time, so with less impact on the applications or the, let's say, the microservices that are hosted on OpenShift. So from that point of view, it allows to provide more of a sustainable, evergreen element to the applications that we do in the industry.
So let's talk about consistency and scalability. So how does OpenShift help ABB scaling and adding a level of consistency to your workflows?
OpenShift is, and the collaboration with Red Hat has been a great avenue to pursue that need for scalability. Now, scalability has other dimensions. Can we really scale down to the point that some of these resource-constrained computing devices need to have in the process automation space? And that's a challenge. The other element that is also very important is the connected versus disconnected, because some of these applications, and especially in critical infrastructure, are expected to be not connected, right? So talking about connected, not connected, or disconnected is a really important element, and that is another element of security too. You might ask, well, so how is OpenShift solving that? I think that Red Hat has been very open, and the partnership with ABB has been fantastic into addressing some of those concerns, and we're working our way to get that dimension of scalability, and not only in OpenShift, but also in other products in the family that Red Hat has to offer.